In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Edge Screen app. I'll be leaving a link to it in the description, so it will take you to the Play Store. When you get to the Play Store, just install it and wait for a few seconds. So after it is done installing, tap open, and you may have to wait for a few seconds as well for the app to load. Alright, so after it is done loading, tap allow if this pops up, and then enable this, tap allow, look for the app, so this is it. I'll tap it and then enable it again, and finally I'll tap allow. This will give you the permission to do stuff to your device, stuff that you have set. Okay, so go back again, and now start adding the things you want the app to do. So the first thing I'll do is I'll remove this bar. I don't like it. I like having a button that I can tap to bring out this option. So go to settings. Instead of bar, select arrow, and this is the arrow. You can bring it down a bit if you want. So let's bring it down. Okay, left is down. So this is the arrow now. You can tap it to show this bar. Now I'll go back. So from here you can tell the app what you want it to do. So tap here, and you can add apps you want the app to have shortcuts to. So from here you can choose all the apps you want to see when you tap on the bar. So tap on this pencil icon down here, and then to show you a list of all your apps. If you don't want to keep scrolling, you can tap here to search for an app. So let's try YouTube, for example. So this is the YouTube app. I'll tap it. As you can see, it has been added here. Let's try X. So this is X. I'll tap it. And finally, let's say WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp app. I'll tap it. So I have added 3 apps to it. I can go back. We're done with the apps part. So next we can add contacts to the bar. This way we can quickly call anybody that we have set there. So just tap here and then choose, and then tap allow. So you can use the search bar to search for anyone. This is my other number. I'll tap it and then tap allow. It has been added. I'll go back. If you don't want to have the contacts option, you can tap here to uncheck it. So for now I'll leave it checked, but any option you don't want, you can tap here to uncheck it. If you want a calculator option, check it. If you want to see a world clock, you can check it, and you can choose the countries you want by tapping on this pencil icon here. So there are other options over here that you can check and uncheck if you don't want them. So just go through the list, select the one you want, tap the pencil icon to edit, and then that's it. So after you're done, just go back. You can even leave the app. And now if I tap on this arrow, you can see I have the shortcuts that I need. I can swipe this way to try the other ones. And that's it. So that's how you use the app. If there's anything specific you want me to show you how to do in the app, please let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video showing you how to do it. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.